All right, so here's a look at this 2-pack of fishing rod holders for e-bikes or really anything that has a bar that you can attach this clamp to. So the clamping mechanism, which is 2 screws, has a couple different size inserts. I use this one that works for like a smaller diameter pull. So yeah, it's a really snug fit. I like these because it does have a locking a bushing in there, so it locks it into place so it won't move. That cinches down from the inside, and then yeah, it holds the rod really secure. There is a bar that comes through here, so if you want to carry just a rod by itself, put that bar through and it won't slide all the way through, and then you can bungee it down, just like I have these ones bungee down. But yeah, I have them out so that the poles can go all the way through and the real seats in the holder. Yeah, same thing on this one over here. It's the larger size pole. Yeah, but I really like this for the e-bike because I'm able to throw my son on the back, take both of our poles to the tackle box, and we're off to the local pond just nearby. So yeah, good fishing rod holder units if you're looking for some for an e-bike or anything with a bar to attach them to.